Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Fuji Plus puzzle.
This puzzle was created by Vladimir Krasnoukhov for International Puzzle Party 39, which was held in Japan in 2019. Difficulty level of the Fuji Plus puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 5 orange pieces and this small white piece inside the triangular cutout. As you can see, for now there is not enough space for this piece and it looks impossible, but the orange pieces are quite loose inside the cutout, and that means that if you rearrange them in a correct way, you will be able to fit the white triangle on top. It's supposed to be only on top, not in the corner, not on the bottom or somewhere else. It's supposed to be just on top. It will look like a Mount Fuji with the snow on top, and there is no not allowed or any overlappings. The piece supposed to be inside the cutout with the rest of the pieces. So this puzzle has only one unique solution and it is not so easy to find it. If you think that is not enough for one puzzle, this puzzle has more. You can use 5 orange pieces and try to make 9 symmetrical shapes out of these pieces, and they look quite complicated, especially this one or this one. They look really challenging to assemble. So it's a nice puzzle that has not one but at least 2 challenges, and if you count these symmetrical shapes as each as a challenge, so this puzzle has 10 different challenges. So it will be quite interesting to solve all of them, and you will spend quite some time before you will be able to find all solutions. If you like how the Fuji Plus puzzle looks and you wanna buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.